We love water and green trees. We all dream. But the dreamers of the day may act their dreams with open eyes to make it possible, even to turn a desert into a fresh and cool oasis. Do you remember the feeling of coolness on a summer day when you walk near the fountain? This effect is due to the evaporation of water. And now you will have the opportunity to enjoy the coolness in your veranda, in the garden, or outdoors. The fogging system drops the temperature up to 15 Celsius degrees, while the objects around stay dry, all due to the unique technology of dry fog. The TumanCo company has been operating for 13 years and today has more than 400 completed projects. When they ask me where I work, jokingly I answer, I sell fog. Seriously speaking, we design and manufacture mist systems. Unfortunately, this technology is still new to the world and few people know about it. For a long time, we constantly conduct research and development work and bring this system to perfection. We use only professional equipment, industrial performance with long-term operation. And our automation is equipped with an intelligent control system that adjusts the operating mode according to the current temperature and humidity. That ensures the most efficient use of dry fog systems. Fogging systems have many applications: space cooling, humidity control, dust suppression, elimination of odors, insect removal. They are installed for private houses, cafes, restaurants, hotels, manufacturers, greenhouses, parks and zoos. However, our company is introducing new options: aromatization, disinfection, special effects. Indeed, water possesses unique properties. Fog is one of those miracles. It is beautiful and pleasant. Even watching it is a pleasure, as if you were plunging into the clouds in the sky. And this feeling of dive brings peace and comfort to your soul. And our dreams of the pure and the sublime can be realized even in the desert. We create comfort, it attracts visitors, and it increases the profit for our customers.